So this is my lesson plan. I was in Pod C Group 2. Making a lesson plan has been really fun because you can take the standards of the content and state what you're going to teach your students, and I think that's pretty nice to have like an outline that helps you know exactly what you need to teach your students. I definitely know how to take the standard and write a your your lesson with your substandard and your grade, and to I know how to identify the learning objective. I also know how to connect it to Bloom's taxonomy. The only thing that I honestly still don't understand or don't know really get is the engagement, exploration, explanation, elaboration, and evaluation. That is one thing that I'm still struggling with. But other than that, I think this making lesson plans is pretty cool, and I know that I'm gonna have to use it in the future.